the room. Ano ba to?
Sofitel.
Room 117 of the Sofitel here in Siem Reap. Okay. Bathroom. This is what I'm talking about. This one. I saw something like this at the lobby. And they folded it. I don't think it's this. It's see?
Yeah, they folded
Very
it.
artistic.
So nice.
Look.
It's very, very nice.
I mean, what is that? What flower is that? Is that a lotus?
Lotus, yeah.
Oh, fix that. Okay. So I think this is a mini bar. Well, the bed is not bad. And look at this. Look at this.
It's really good.
What is this? Is this a freebie? Sa atin na ba to? Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, macaroon!
Oh, that is so nice.
Okay. And my sister said this is what she likes about Asian hotels.
Six.
Oh, and look at this. Oh,
Sisa.
lansones.
Talaga.
Yeah.
Ganda. Sisa.
So this is the room. Yikes! Yikes! Ta-da!
Ano yun?
Ito muna. Hey, hey, hey! Okay. Surprise! Surprise! No need. Just open that. See? Look at that. This is yikes. There it is. As my mother would say, feeling rich. My sister's feeling rich. 3 floors. 3 floors. This is our pool. This is the hotel that we're staying in. Sofitel Golf and Spa Resorts. Check. These rooms the room downstairs have easy access to the pool. Beautiful. Really nice. We didn't bring our seats. There is our room. That's our room. Okay?